Oh, hi there. I was just doing a little packing for my upcoming travel. We've got a ton of SAP code jams coming up in the near future. And if you check out the calendar on the SAP community, you'll see that we have more than 10 code jams just in the next 2 weeks alone. We have code jams coming in the United States, Germany, Spain, Poland, and happy to see that we're able to return a few to Australia as well. That's actually what I was packing for. I'm going to be doing code jams on the cloud application programming model in both Sydney and in Brisbane next week. But also as part of the swing of big new code jams, we've got a couple of new topics. We've got the integration suite and SAP Build, some code jam content that we just finished, and we can't wait for you to be able to try it out. Also on the subject of new things, right after I finish in Australia, I'm going on to India, not to do code jams myself, but to help train a team of new developer advocates. We have 5 new team members joining us that will all be stationed out of the SAP Labs Bangalore office. And you'll get to know them over the coming weeks as they start to do developer advocate activities like this news segments. But one of the big parts of why we're so excited to have this new extension to our team is that they'll be able to do more in-person events in India specifically. So we hope to be able to offer many more code jams in the India region, because we know there's tons of developers in the SAP ecosystem there in India, and we'd like to be able to bring you these events more often as well. So as always, check out the SAP community group for code jams and the community calendar to see what events are coming to an area near you. And if you're intrigued by the addition of these new topics or the mention of a new region like India, and you're interested in hosting, consider doing so. You can submit your request to host simply by making a post on the SAP community groups and let us know that you're interested in hosting. We'll get in touch with you to discuss the details. So until then, we hope to see you at one of these events coming to an area near you soon.
Hi, SAP developers. I'm Ian Thane, SAP Developer Advocate. And some of you probably know that I'm into mobile technology, such as development, productivity, and more. I also listen to podcasts on my mobile device. Check us out on the SAP Developers Podcast. So I'm super excited to let you know there's a new SAP podcast in town. It's the SAP Mobile Matters podcast. Month by month, the Mobile Matters team will explore how mobile technologies are changing the way we work. Each episode will focus on one of 3 themes. Colleagues behind mobile will introduce you to SAP co-workers in various roles involved in building SAP mobile apps and services. SAP Runs SAP Mobile will help you discover how SAP is using mobile technology to enhance our own productivity and work processes. And Customers in the Spotlight will tell you how businesses are using mobile technology to transform their work and deliver value to their employees. Whether you're an IT pro, a business leader, or just interested in mobile technology in the workplace, follow the team link below and check out the teaser in the first 3 episodes. I'm planning to catch up with them in future SAP Code Talk to try and get the scoop on upcoming episodes. So check out the new SAP Mobile Matters podcast now.
Last week, Mamiki kicked off week 1 of the React Developer Challenge for June. We are excited to announce that week 2 is now live. In week 1, you learned how to utilize an existing component from the UI5 Web Components for React library to display data in a table. This week, you're taking it a step further by creating a custom component to conditionally style a field in the table based on the task status. Additionally, we have a bonus challenge for you, implementing the analytical table component instead of the table component used last week. Check out the links below to learn more about this month's long challenge and discover what week 2 entails. Thank you for your continued participation. Good luck and happy coding.
Hola, SAP developers. I want to share with you some new functionality that's coming in the next release of SAP Cloud Integration. For some time now, it's been possible to import message mappings from the Enterprise Service Repository to SAP Cloud Integration. Well, Now you can also import function libraries, data types, and message types from ESR. You can use the function libraries and message types in your message mappings. Check out Deepak's and Radhika's blog posts for more information. This functionality is quite important if you are in the process of migrating from PIPO to SAP Integration Suite. This reminds me that on the 27th of June, there is a free virtual event that you can attend. Make sure that you check it out if you want to learn how you can modernize your integration landscape. I'm including the links in the description below.
As the saying goes, all good things must come to an end. That's particularly true in the IT space, where often solutions and environments are very short-lived. But today we have the announcement of the sunset of SAP BTP Neo environment. Now, it's been around for quite some time now, since 2010, and the sunset announcement is for December 31st, 2028. So I think it's safe to say that SAP BTP Neo environment has had quite the lifetime and still has a good number of years left to it. But for all the details of the upcoming sunset, how you can prepare, work on a migration, and everything else about the announcement, please check out Michael Omeling's blog post on the SAP community, which I'll link in the news description, of course. He goes into all the details that you need to know to see the impact that this might have on your business if you're using the Neo environment, and how you can get ready for the upcoming sunset in 2028. So I highly encourage you, if you're a Neo user, to check out that blog post.